Dear students, in this part of the lecture, we shall try to understand the meaning of international marketing. International marketing means to market products and services in the foreign market. Companies or business firms sometimes, due to different reasons, they went out of the national boundaries and they venture into markets which are situated in foreign nations. And when companies and business firms, they market their products and services in markets of foreign countries, then it can be said that such marketing is international marketing. International marketing is to undertake the marketing activities in more than one nations. Definitely, when any firm wants to market its products and services in another country, then two countries are involved. One is the domestic country, and the country in which the product is marketed is the foreign country. So two countries involved. Sometimes the companies or the business firms, they market in more than one foreign nations. So therefore, in such case, the products are marketed in more than one foreign markets. Students, international marketing is something which can bring various types of benefits to any business firm. However, whether to go international or not, whether to enter in an international market or not, that is a very critical and crucial decision which any company needs to make, because although international marketing is beneficial and it has got many advantages, but at the same time international marketing has many challenges. So therefore, while entering an international market or while taking the decision to enter an international market, the company will also have to take the decision that they are going to face the challenges associated with international marketing. So therefore, it is a crucial and important decision any business firm needs to take. International marketing is very similar to global marketing, and sometimes it is said export marketing also. We know that export is a transaction in which goods and services are sold from one country, the home country, to the target or the foreign country. So therefore, international marketing, many times it is also called global marketing or export marketing. International marketing brings many opportunities as well as challenges. I have already told you that international marketing brings many advantages, but at the same time, international marketing involves many challenges also. For example, when we enter an international market, we do not know what type of factors influence the market conditions of that particular foreign market, and therefore whether our products and services will be acceptable in that market or not. So therefore, it is a threat, it is a challenge that the business firm will have to consider while entering that market. According to American Marketing Association, if we have to go to the definition, then we can go to the definition of American Marketing Association, which says that international marketing is the multinational process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion and distribution of ideas, goods and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. So this is how American Marketing Association defines international marketing. Thank you.